It's almost Christmas, but this is not very Christmassy, is it? Last Christmas I saw a few examples of elf slippers and I think they are cute for the little ones to get ready for all this season. So I have some faux leather for the sole, some felt, green felt for all what the slipper is, and some of this furry one for the inside, and then it's going to have like a pom-pom on top. It's one of these that are pointy, really cute, and I think he's going to love them. The advantage of sewing is that you can do special things depending on the season, and Christmas is ideal for this. So if you like this kind of project, consider subscribing because I upload weekly, and that way you don't miss anything, and I'll leave you my Instagram account as well in case you want to have a peek. Even though this project is for a little boy, you can do it for yourself, or you can do it for even for the whole family. That would be really fun. Everyone dressed in their slippers. And what you need is a slipper. This is quite wide. It's like a monstrous sort of shoe. So you need to take your pattern first to draw it. So what I'm going to do is to draw it all around it. I'm going to put it flat on the table and sort of wrap it to get the pattern, because it's going to have a seam on top and the rest is going to be all one piece. And then take the whole the sole and once I do that, I'm going to draw the sole as well. I folded my felt in half and pinned it to make sure it didn't move while I cut the two pieces I needed. And the inside it's a bit longer on the top, so I can fold it outwards. And of course the sole. With everything cut, I started sewing the top of the slipper of the felt bit all the way to the tip. And once I did this, to start sewing the sole, I made sure where the half of my heel was, so I could sew it properly all along one side from the heel to the tip, and then from the heel again to the tip. I have the slipper made. I think it's huge because I think I made a mistake while tracing the pattern, and it is that when I traced the pattern I didn't include the pointy bit in the pattern, in the sole, but I made it after, so I made the slipper bigger. So if you are going to do this, include the pointy bit on the sole, and that way you don't have this problem. But I think it's going to be cozy because it has all of this inside, which is was going to make it nice and warm. I didn't make the point here because I think if not I won't be able to put it in. This, make the heels match. I'm going to do it by hand a little bit, a few stitches so you don't see them, and then with the bit I have left I'm going to make the pom-pom the same, so it's a bit bigger and more eye-catching. And to make the pom-pom, I'm going to use one of these shapeless bits I have left, so I don't cut any more fabric, and I'm going to just gather it. So I push it inside. I made the ball that goes on the tip. And here are the slippers. I think they're a bit big. I'll tell you all about it once he tries them on, but I think they look cute. I hope you've enjoyed the project. It's ideal for children and for adults as well. They are really cute and comfy, and you can even add a sole as well if you want them even comfier. So if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing because I upload weekly. And that way you don't miss anything. And I leave you here a link to everything I've done Christmas related. Bye!